it'd be so better we cannot share it with friends. Yeah, that you can do with God. We can always kneel down and pray to God, saying that God, I have this problem. Please help me in this problem. So He'll be helping us in each and every way He can help us. So before we, if we get some problem, we'll automatically run to our friends. We'll automatically go towards our friends. There to I will think that, oh, I've done well, she'll give me some solutions, she'll give me some solution, but it's not always that. Before going to your friend, before running to your friend, or if you're in home, before running to the phone, trying to tell somebody to get some suggestions, we must learn to run to God and kneel down and pray to Him. So, and in my experience, I've learned that it's better not to ask questions and trust in God. Like sometimes you feel that why God is not letting me out of this problem, why God is not helping me in this problem, why it's taking so long for Him to listen to my prayers. Yeah? So sometimes we'll be in that condition. So before, it's my experience that it's better to trust than to question God.